Today, we're diving into the exciting world of music visualization with an amazing app called Vivu Video. Let's explore how this app transforms your favorite tracks into captivating audiovisual masterpieces. Vivu Video is a popular audio spectrum app for Android that allows users to create visually engaging music videos. The app features a dynamic audio visualizer that responds to the rhythm and frequency of the music, creating stunning visual displays that enhance the listening experience. With Vivu Video, users can easily import their favorite music tracks and see real-time visual effects that pulse and flow in sync with the audio. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible for both casual users and those looking to produce more polished content. Users can customize various aspects of the visual effects, such as colors and styles, to match the mood of the music. The app also allows for easy sharing of the finished videos on social media platforms, enabling users to showcase their creative works. Overall, Vivu Video stands out as an excellent option for anyone looking to combine music with captivating visuals on their Android device. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Vivu Video inspired you to try out the app and create your own music videos. Until next time, keep the music playing and the visuals flowing.